We've got Sam with us today. He's a finance apprentice based at Cardiff and Vale University Health Board, and we've asked him a few questions on his apprenticeship so far. Hi Sam, what apprenticeship are you currently studying?
Hello, my name's Sam Stephens and I'm currently studying a finance apprenticeship within NHS Wales Finance. I chose this as from around 16 years old, I knew that a career in finance was the route that I wanted to take. Maths was always my strong point in school and I wanted to apply my numerical skills in real life. I opted for an apprenticeship as opposed to university as I felt getting hands-on experience was what I needed and also to gain an accounting qualification which has been fully funded for me and walking away with no debt.
Great. So what have you enjoyed most about your apprenticeship experience so far?
On the whole, I've pretty much enjoyed everything in entire honesty. But if I was to narrow it down, I'd say working in the professional environment has been a real enjoyment for me. I've built my technical skills for sure. I use a laptop every day at work. I've strong social skills anyway, but working in the professional environment has taught me how to speak in a professional manner. I've become more articulate with speech, and I've learned not to be the loudest in the room and instead absorb as much as I possibly can to learn and develop. I have built strong relationships with some colleagues whilst maintaining good relationships with others. And being a now 21-year-old, I really do enjoy socialising with those older than me in the office, as it's something I've never really been exposed to before, especially as I was fresh out of comprehensive school.
Okay, so what advice would you give to anyone thinking of applying to do an apprenticeship with NHS Wales?
I'd certainly do some research into the organisation and the various health boards, just so you know what you're getting into, really. There's a lot more about NHS finance than meets the eye. I had no idea the scale that the health boards work on and the day-to-day operations that take place. And for anyone who's liking the idea of working in the environment, I cannot recommend the NHS enough.
Great. So you would recommend undertaking a finance apprenticeship to others?
Absolutely. It's taught me many skills that I will carry with me throughout my whole career, but also has helped me with life outside of work too, with managing things. The work-life balance is very manageable, and there's always support there if it's needed. If you're someone who'd rather get into the working world as opposed to university and have an interest in the finance world, then this path is certainly a very strong choice. What I'd say I enjoy most is feeling valued within the NHS, and there's always development opportunities within the professional environment, and it's opened my eyes to a lot.
Okay. So what are your career goals once you've completed your apprenticeship?
So once I've completed my apprenticeship and became AAT qualified, which is the qualification I'm currently doing within the apprenticeship, I plan on applying and hopefully getting a fixed post within a health board of the NHS Finance, ideally Cardiff and Vale. And then I'd like to go on and complete the ACCA qualification to become a fully qualified accountant. And I plan on staying within the NHS. I enjoy it so much. I feel so valued. And more importantly, it feels like home to me.
Fantastic. Thank you, Sam. So to our audience, if you're interested in our programmes or what our students say about them, scan the QR code on the screen or visit www.financeacademy.nhs.wales. You can also register your interest and hear about our programmes and be one of the first to be updated and informed about them. So thank you for listening. Diolch yn fawr iawn. See you soon. Thank you.